Hello everyone. Today I will show you about how to get free resources in this game app. Yes, for my method that I want to show you today, that everything is free for you, so you do not pay anything for today. Yes, so waiting for a moment because my internet is slow. Yes, please waiting. Yes, you can see many kind of diamond or gem that they want to sell for you to upgrade your account. So my method that provide you today, that show you today, everything is free. Yes, let's check my gem in my accounts. Yes, first you go to the browser and typing procode.vip/8rt. Just enter your username here. Yes, please select your platform and choose the gem that you want to generate and click generate. Yes, please waiting. The system is loading. After this processing is finished, yes, please click verify here. Hey, this is an important step to verify you are a human, not a robot. So you must download the app for free below to verify to unlock to get free resources. And after you download is completed, please open or sign up and run this app around 30 seconds. Yes, now you start sign up with this app. Yes. You click skip. Yes. Then click install one more app. After download done, please open and play this app around 30 seconds also. Yes, waiting a moment. Yes, and click open and run it around 30 seconds. Yes, I do this tip to make sure that my human verification bypass are successfully done for these steps. And after you done all these steps, you could delete these apps. It's up to you. Okay, please restart your game app and check the result all together. Yes, please waiting because my internet is slowly. Just let's check all together. Just please wait. Oh yes, finally I can get free unlimited jump in my account successfully. So I hope everyone will enjoy this video and enjoy my method that I want to show you today. So please try it on your mobile. Yes, thank you for